Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the full 2025 guide on how to handle client proposals in Zoho Project. This is an essential skill for any project manager, so let's get started. First up is the creation of a new project. Once you're logged into Zoho, click on the New Project button. Here, you'll be able to input the details of your client's proposal, such as the project name, description, and estimated start and end dates. This step is crucial because it gives you the chance to outline your project's scope, goals, and timelines, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step, assigning tasks. Click on the Tasks tab and start creating tasks based on the client's proposal. You can assign these tasks to team members, set due dates, and even attach files. The reason we do this is to break down the project into manageable chunks, making it easier to track progress and meet deadlines. Next up, we have setting up milestones. This helps us because milestones are significant events or achievements within the project that signify progress. To set a milestone, go to the Milestones tab, click Add Milestone, and fill in the required details. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Under the Budget tab, you can input the estimated cost of the project based on your client's proposal. This step is significant as it helps you manage your resources effectively, prevent overspending, and keep your project on track financially. Lastly, don't forget to update your client about the project's progress. Under the Reports tab, you can generate project reports to share with your client. This is a crucial step because it fosters transparency and strengthens the client's trust in your project management skills. And that's it. Handling client proposals in Zoho Project is as straightforward as these 5 steps. Remember, the aim is to translate your client's proposal into a tangible, achievable project while keeping everyone informed and on track. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.